Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Witch in Clash Royale effectively. The Witch is a powerful 5 elixir card, essential for both offense and defense when deployed correctly. Always aim to place her behind your high hit point tank, approximately 2 tiles back, allowing her skeletons to swarm incoming threats or support your push. This placement protects her from immediate danger and ensures continuous skeleton generation. Consider placing her near the bridge for early pressure, but ensure you have enough elixir for immediate support. To truly maximize the Witch's potential, consider her synergistic pairings. She thrives when placed behind a strong tank like a giant or golem, letting her skeletons and area damage eliminate ground threats. Combining her with another splash unit, such as a baby dragon, creates a formidable defensive and offensive push. This strategy overwhelms opponents, protecting your tank while clearing out pesky swarm troops. Always ensure she has a protector, allowing her to generate a steady stream of skeletons. The Witch is surprisingly effective on defense, especially against ground swarm units. Place her down early to clear out skeleton armies, goblin gangs, or even barbarians with her area damage and spawning skeletons. She also provides valuable support against mini-tanks, helping your tower deal with them quickly. Once your defense is complete, she seamlessly transitions into a powerful counter-push, setting you up for an offensive advantage. Her versatility makes her a crucial card in many defensive situations. Despite her strengths, the Witch does have specific weaknesses you need to manage. She is particularly vulnerable to direct damage spells like Fireball or Poison, which can quickly eliminate her and her skeletons. High single-target damage troops, such as the Valkyrie or Mini P.E.K.K.A., can also take her down efficiently. To mitigate these threats, try to bait out opponents' spells or provide immediate support troops to protect her, ensuring her continued value on the arena. Proper support is key to her survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.